Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the fuel filter in this 2002 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. It's the same for most 2001 to 2003 GMC Sierras, and this part fits a large variety of GM models. And the tools you'll need are a 16mm wrench and an adjustable wrench.
The first step is start up your truck, and you'll want to relieve the pressure in the fuel system. You want to locate the relay for your fuel pump. Okay, you can use the diagram, and then you pull the relay out while the engine's running, and you'll hear the engine run out of gas.
Okay, so we're going to start off by just showing you where the fuel filter is. On this particular vehicle, it's on the driver's side underneath the rear door. So what you want to do is, using a 16mm wrench and an adjustable wrench, is just loosen this up, and we'll just fast forward as he does that. And you want to do the same thing on the back side of the fuel filter. And again, we'll just fast forward as he loosens this up. Okay, so now pull that line out of those clips, and then you want to pull back. There is going to be some fuel that's just stored inside there right now. It's going to come out. You can see he's using a funnel to try to collect it. You just may want to use a rag to mop that up. Then you just want to pull that line until it comes free from the fuel filter, and then you want to pull the other end of the fuel filter free. Here you can see the old fuel filter and the new one from 1AAuto. It's an exact replacement. On the fuel filter, you'll see there's an arrow and it says flow in the middle. What you want is, when you install this fuel filter onto the vehicle, you want that arrow pointing towards the front of the vehicle. So you just want to tuck the fuel filter back into that bracket and tighten the back end of the fuel line first. And then you're going to want to slide that front end of the fuel line into place. You may need to push the fuel filter back a little bit to get it in there. You can see it may be a little difficult. Once you get it in there, you just want to tighten that into place. And we'll just fast forward it here as he tightens it the rest of the way with those wrenches. Okay, and then you just want to put the fuel line back into those clips. And just make sure that you mop up any gas or anything that came out of the fuel filter when you were changing it. And now reconnect that relay to your fuel pump.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.